Hi guys. This video is about a free screen recorder called Matic. I know a lot of you guys point the camera at the TV. Like I was watching one of my favorite guys on YouTube, a DIY camper, do-it-yourself camper guy, and he was recording yesterday a video by pointing his camcorder at the computer screen, and you get these wavy lines. But with this free software, that eliminates all that. And for me, it's easier, because you don't have to take it from the camera and put it on the computer. So I'll leave a link in the video notes below, so you guys can go download it and try it yourself if you don't have it already, and you like to make videos on the computer. I'll start the program. It takes a little bit to get going. By the way, I'm on a 4K TV. It says free recorder. Hit that. Don't use Firefox to record because it's real blurry. Use Google Chrome, and it actually comes out in 4K. I recorded a video the other day on Firefox, and it was all blurry. And I learned that. I didn't know that. Anyway, I don't have the microphone on right now because I'm using the camcorder, because I needed to show you what happened before I hit record. See, it's not recording right now. You'll go down here and you'll hit record. And it'll say 3, 2, 1, and at that point you're recording. It'll record everything you do on the screen from that point. There's my Google Chrome. Every single move you make, and when you're talking into the microphone, it'll record your voice really well. Alright guys, if you like this video and you tried this software and you like it, please leave me a comment, because I like to read you guys' comments. Thank you for watching, guys.